What's up, y'all? So today I am going to show you how to navigate my YouTube channel. The first thing you would do is go to YouTube and type in royalty all in one in the search box, and then that will allow you to pull up my YouTube channel. From there is very self-explanatory. You will come across this page here, and you will stroll through any videos you want to see, whether there's hair videos, clothing videos, lash videos. Everything is located there. You can click on videos to see all of my videos, so everything could be found there. And you just search through whatever you find interested in watching, and you just simply click on one. So I'm going to show you guys how that looks here. So this one here is the lash video, or one of the lash videos. And in this video, I just showcase the different styles of lashes that I offer, from the most dramatic to the most simple, unique ones. I also offer the color ones. You will have to watch the video to take a look at those, but I offer more. So for this one, I am going to show you guys, let me see which one. Let's do this one. So this one here, I am showcasing my contemporary women's ready-to-wear pieces. A lot of it is like bodycon, mini dresses. I have in different colors, so lime green, orange, black. I also carry bodysuits, long sleeve bodysuits. I carry it in brown, black, and other colors as well. And then I carry like nice blouses or tops, that's what you want to call them. So yeah, I have different pieces for like everyday wear. If you wanted to go out to a special event, or if you wanted to just lounge around your house, I have different pieces. But I am going to continue to show you guys more videos. And then yeah, I'll be back. So this video is actually, I believe, a straight hair video, or I believe this is body wave I am looking at, but this hair is so flawless, like so flawless. One thing about my hair is that whether it's body wave, deep wave, straight, or curly, or whatever, you can simply straighten that hair. I am going to show you guys another video. Let's see, where is it? This video is one of my favorites. Oh my god, when I tell you I am in love with this curly hair, like watch this. Watch when I take my braid down, and watch how curly it is. Like, look at that. Just look at that. Look at how flawless and juicy those curls are. Like, what woman wouldn't kill for those curls, especially with their natural hair? I would have to say curly hair looks good on me. I think out of all of the hair textures or wave patterns I have tried, this is my most favorite one. It just makes me look so grown and sexy. So I'm going to wet it down, mousse it, and voila, this is how it looks. Look at that. This is how it looks when it has been wet and manipulated, compared to me just unbraiding it. Now I would say, I think I like it when I just simply unbraid or untwist my hair. I think I like those curls better, but these curls is going to dry, and it's just going to look like how how I had it when I first took down the braids. So if you are interested, stay tuned for more, because I have some new textures coming out that all of you women will love. So yeah, that video right here, I'm telling you guys, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. So if you have not done so, please do. Thank you. Let me see. I think this may be the body wave I am getting ready to play now. Let's see. I don't know. I would have to say all of my hair videos is some of my favorite, but I'm showing you my contemporary women's wear right now. So what you're looking at is the top and the leggings. That is, well, it's no longer part of my collection. I'm thinking about restocking these leggings. These leggings were one of my favorites. I thought they were very different. They were very unique, and I think I'm going to invest in more of those. Let's see. I think I show you guys. I can't remember which one I'm showing you guys right now, but I'm just going to let you guys see the rest of the video and just how to maneuver through my YouTube page. Blended on royaltyessentials.net page. So if you guys seen, I have a link in my bio in all of my YouTube videos where I insert my website. That way you can just click on and it take you right here to the site. What you're looking at now is my What's New collection for spring and summer 2022. I'm just showing you how to navigate the website as well. I'm showing you some of the products that I offer. But if we scroll back to the top, we click on Royalty Essentials all-in-one, it will take you to the home page, and that is where you are welcome, or you can click on anything you are interested in or anything you want to see. All of the displays, the writing, and everything that you see on here is clickable, so it's very easy access. It's very simple to where you can understand. This one is my blog. Read all about it because I'm into fashion. Yeah, definitely read my blogs, you know. Also, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you stay up to date with our collections for every season. And also make sure you sign up to our mailing list. That way you can be the first to know what and when we drop.